Hi guys, this is the Java series. Now let's discuss about how to create the file using the inbuilt class file that is present inside the java.io package. Okay, first I have to import the file class. Import java.io file. F must be capital. Okay, file is the name of the class that is present inside the java.io package. And I have to import one more inbuilt class. Okay, so that is IOException inbuilt class. Okay, and this is my class. This class is inside this package. And I have created the main method. Now I have to create a new file using this file class. Okay, what I will do? First I have to create the object for this file class. Okay, file f object. This is the name of the object for file class, and a new keyword and parameterized constructor for file class. Inside the round brackets, I have to pass the parameter. The parameter is nothing but the name of the file. Okay. Inside the double quotes, I have to give the path of the file. Okay. Grapes dot text file. Okay. And I have to implement the exception handling in order to avoid the runtime errors. Okay. In order to maintain the execution flow of the program. Okay, so what I will do, I have to use the try catch block. Okay, so try and catch inside the round brackets. Now I pass the IOException inbuilt class. Okay, and I have to give the name of the variable. So inside the try block, now I have to place the suspicious code. Okay, here I have used the decision making statement if. Okay, and the object name for file class is f object dot create new file. Okay, this is the inbuilt method. This method is present inside the file class. Okay, so this create new file method returns the boolean value. If the file is created means this method returns true. Okay, if this file is not created, it returns false. Okay, so now if the file is created successfully means what is the message? System.out.println the created file concatenation symbol plus and the name of the object f object dot get name method. Okay, so this is the inbuilt method. This is used to return the name of the file. Okay, and the end of the statement is semicolon. Okay, if this method returns false means the else block will be executed. Okay, system.out.println the given file is already exist. Okay, this is only the output statement. We should give the semicolon at the end of the line. Okay, and if any input output error is occurred means what will happen? this catch block is responsible to handle the raised error. Okay, so this is the inbuilt exception class. This is the variable for this exception class. Okay, so the inbuilt error message will be stored inside the variable IE that will be printed on our console using the println method. So the variable name IE. Got it? So inside the java.io package we have the file class. Inside this file class we have the createNewFile and getName inbuilt methods. This createNewFile returns the boolean value. It returns true when this file is created successfully. Okay, it returns false, file is already present. Okay, so here this inbuilt method is used to return the name of the created file. Okay, so now let me execute this one. Here the created file grapes. Okay, now again if I execute the same, means what we will get? Actually this is now only created. So if I execute the same again means what we will get? The else block only will be executed, isn't it? The given file is already exist. Okay, so if I execute the same program again means we got, so the given file is already exist. Got it? If there is any error is occurred means this catch block will be executed. Okay, I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Now let's discuss about how to read the content from the specified file using the file inbuilt class. In the last session we have discussed about how to create a file using the file inbuilt class, isn't it? Now with the help of the scanner class we can read the content from the specified file. First I import file class. File not found exception class. This is one of the inbuilt exception class. Next, scanner class that is present inside the utility package. Okay. And this is my class name, test file read. Okay. So inside this class I have created the main method. Now I am going to implement the exception handling by try and catch block. So inside the round brackets I gave the file not found exception inbuilt class, and the variable for this class whatever we want we give. Here I give FE. Okay, so now inside the try block, first I create the object for file class. Okay, file is the name of the class that is present inside the java.io package. Now I give the object name for file class, my object. Okay, and a new keyword. This is used to create the memory for this object during the execution of the program, and parameterized constructor for file class. And inside the round brackets we have to mention the path of the file. Okay, inside the double quotes D drive backslashes and AB. This is my text to file name. And end of the statement, semicolon. Okay. And I create the object for scanner. Okay. Scanner is the name of the class, and my reader. This is my object for scanner class, and a new keyword scanner. Inside the round brackets I pass the my object, that is the object for file class. Okay, I use the while loop. Okay, with the help of the while loop I try to read the content from the specified file. Okay, so this object holds the address for this file. Here I have passed the object into the scanner class. Okay, now I am going to implement the while loop to read the content. Okay, while inside the round brackets we have to give the expression, isn't it? So here my reader dot has next line. Okay. So what is the role of this inbuilt method? This method checks whether the next line is present inside the specified file or not. Okay, if the line is present, means it returns the true boolean value. If there is no line is present, means it returns the false boolean value. Okay, so inside this my reader object we have passed the my object. This is the object for file class. Inside this object we have this file, isn't it? So this method, whether the content is present inside the specified file or not. Okay, if it returns true, the content is present. If there is no content inside this file, means this method returns the false. Got it? Okay. And inside the while block, first I create the string object. String content. Okay. And here my reader. This is the object for the scanner class. Okay. Next line. This is one of the inbuilt method that is also present inside the scanner class. So here I have used the hasNext line inbuilt method that is also present inside the scanner class, and the next line, this is also one of the inbuilt methods that is also present inside the scanner class. Okay, so this method returns what? This method returns the line from the specified file. Okay, so that string will be stored inside this variable. Okay, content, its data type is string. Okay, so next line returns the string data type. Okay, and using the println method, now I try to print the content on my console. Okay. And this process is going on till this inbuilt method returns false. That means if there is no content is present, means this method returns false. If it returns false, means the while loop will be terminated. Okay, so all the content from the specified file will be printed on our console using this next line inbuilt method. This method is used to check whether the content is present inside the AB text file. Okay, this method is used to return the string, okay, from the specified file, okay, and we have to close the scanner object in order to avoid the corruption of the opened file, okay. So my reader is the object for scanner class, and close. If any error is occurred inside the try block, means catch block only responsible to handle the error which is raised inside the try block. The inbuilt error message will be stored inside this variable, okay. Now that value will be printed on our console using the println method. FE. That's it. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Okay, let me execute this one. So this is our output. Using the scanner class, we can read the content from the specified file. Go to the file and open inside the D drive AB. So this is our content. Okay, so I got this content. So inside the main method, I have created the object for file inbuilt class and a parameterized constructor I have used. So inside the round brackets, I have passed the path of the file. I have used the scanner class. This is the object for scanner, and I have used the scanner parameterized constructor. Okay, inside the round brackets, I passed the object for file class, and I have used the has next line inbuilt method that is present inside the scanner class, which is used to check whether the content is present inside the specified file or not. Okay, if it returns true, means the control comes inside the while loop, and this is the variable. Here I have used the next line inbuilt method. This is also present inside the scanner class. Okay, so what is the role of the next line inbuilt method? This is used to read the line from the specified file that will be stored inside the content that will be printed on our console. And when this has next line inbuilt method returns false, the while loop will be terminated. After then, the scanner class will be closed using the close method. Okay, here we have used the inbuilt exception class. If any error is raised inside the try block, this will be used to handle the error. Okay, and the error message will be printed using the println method. Okay, so we got this output from this AB text file. Okay, now let's discuss about how to write the content in the file using the FileWriter class. Okay, first I import the FileWriter class that is present inside the java.io package. F must be capital, W must be capital. Okay, and I import input output exception to handle the errors. Okay, and this is my class test file write. Inside this class I have created the main method. Now I implement the exception handling using the try and catch block. So inside the round brackets, I pass the input output exception and the name of the variable. Whatever we want, we give. Here I give IE. Now I create the object for FileWriter class. Okay, FileWriter is the name of the class, and FW is the name of the object for FileWriter class, and new is the keyword that is used to create the memory for FW object during the execution of the program, and parameterized constructor for FileWriter class. Inside the round brackets we have to pass the path of the file. Inside the D drive, backslashes, text file. AB is my text file. Now I try to write the content inside this file only using the FileWriter class. Okay. And inside this FileWriter class we have the write inbuilt method. Okay. With the help of that write method only, now we can write the content inside this AB text file. Okay. So I use the object for FileWriter class to call the write method. Okay. And here inside this round brackets we pass the content inside the quotes. Welcome to my home. Always be happy. Okay. So this is the content. Whatever we want we give. So this content will be stored inside the AB text file using this write method that is present inside the FileWriter class. Okay. That's why I have used the object for this class. Okay. We have to close the object for FileWriter class in order to avoid the corruption of the opened file. Okay. So FW is the object for FileWriter class, and using the close method we can close the opened file. Okay. System.out.println successfully updated. This is for our output message. Okay. If any error is raised inside the try block, means this catch block is responsible to handle that error. Okay. So this inbuilt exception class is used to handle the error that is raised inside the try block. Okay. And here system.out.println IE. Okay, this is the variable for this IOException class. So the inbuilt exception message will be stored, that will be printed with the help of the println method. Okay, so I repeat it again. This is my file. Okay, AB is my text file. This file is present inside the D drive, and I want to write the content inside this text file. How is it possible? With the help of the FileWriter class. Okay, this FileWriter class is present inside the java.io package. Okay, and inside the FileWriter class we have the write inbuilt method. With the help of this inbuilt method only we can write the content inside this specified file. Okay, and after then we have to close the FileWriter object in order to avoid the corruption of the opened file. Okay, and this is only the output statement. This catch is responsible to handle the error that is raised inside the try block. Okay, so here this is the name of the variable. The inbuilt error message will be stored inside this variable that will be printed on our console using the println method. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. First we have to save this file. Now let me execute this one. So we got successfully updated. Okay, open the file that is present inside the D drive. Okay, what is the name of the file? AB. This is the file. Here, welcome to my home, always be happy. Okay, now I change this content. God is always with us. This is my new content. After save, I execute the same. We got successfully updated. Now open that file again. AB is the name of the file. So God is always with us. So if we want to write the content inside the specified file, we can use the FileWriter class. Okay, this is present inside the java.io package, and inside the FileWriter class we have the write inbuilt method. Using this inbuilt method we can write the content inside the specified file. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.